this channel where we spread love and positive vibes. Thank you so much for subscribing to this channel, for liking our videos, for commenting down below. I don't take it for granted. I really appreciate you. Today, I want to tell a story. Guys, you all know how much I love Jamaica and how much I would want to visit Jamaica. One of you was asking me, Lam, when are you going to come to Jamaica? And I replied to him, when God's time comes, I will ride my foot in Jamaica, and that will be my happiest moment, my happiest day. I really long to come to Jamaica. And today I want to narrate the story how I fell in love with Jamaica and my story about how I came to know Jamaica and how I've known Jamaica up to this time. I want to start by saying, and maybe you are going to laugh at me, at first I didn't know Jamaica, but I knew Bob Marley, I knew reggae music, I knew all those songs that we were singing when we were young, Buffalo, Soldier, in the land of America. We were singing those songs, but little did I know that the person who sang those songs was a citizen of Jamaica. I could hear the country Jamaica, and I could hear Bob Marley had come from Jamaica. And therefore, my little knowledge about Jamaica was about Rastafarians and the taking of bang. Just like many people in Africa, the way they know Jamaica. Some of those who have not taken time to know these great land and great people, they just know Jamaica as a land for Rastafarians and a land where many people take bang. But after I came to know Jamaica, as I'm going to narrate in this video, I fell in love with the country, I fell in love with the people of Jamaica, I fell in love with everything about Jamaica. The history, the culture, the music, the food, name them. And today I want to start by narrating to you who actually made me to know Jamaica and to see the land of Jamaica for the first time in the video. I was a very stern follower of Dimwango, and therefore Dimwango decided to come to Jamaica, and I followed her on her trip to Jamaica. The first time she landed in Jamaica, she didn't know who to find. She didn't know where to go. She was a stranger in a strange land. Just like you can go to a place where you know nobody, you know no place, you have no clue where to go. But because she's a courageous woman, she made a decision to come to Jamaica and opened our eyes to know Jamaica in a very special way. So when Dimwango arrived in Jamaica, the first person she met was Chris Maastricht. We all, maybe you know Chris Maastricht. He's a YouTuber from Canada, and he visits all the countries in the world to actually show us about those countries. And therefore, at this particular time, he was in Jamaica. And Dimwango arrives in Jamaica not knowing anything about Jamaica or anybody in Jamaica. And Chris Maastricht did the best he could to introduce Dimwango to the first Jamaican person, who was Kino. And we all know what happened and how Kino took care of Dimwango and also took care of other YouTubers who are arriving in Jamaica. So through that, I came to know Jamaicans as a people who love, as a people who welcome, as a people who adore other people irrespective of whether they know where they have come from. Because Kino didn't know Dimwango. They were meeting the first time. And we saw Kino really sacrificing to take Dimwango from one place to the other and to show her around Jamaica. And therefore we got the best impression of Jamaica from Kino. A warm people, a loving people, a great people, and therefore that is when we started knowing Jamaica. When Dimwango arrived at the airport, I think it was Montego Bay or it was Norman Manry Airport. I think the first time Dimwango arrived in Jamaica, she came to Jamaica through Norman Manry Airport. And when she arrived in the airport, of course, because we were watching the videos, we could see the colors of the flag of Jamaica, the beautiful airport colored with those beautiful colors of the flag of Jamaica. And therefore we came to know that Jamaica values the colors of their flag, and the color, and actually their flag has got a lot of information about Jamaica and the people of Jamaica. She also mentioned to us the way Jamaicans are God-fearing. Immediately they arrive at their destination in an airplane, they have to pray. And at the beginning of their journey, they have to pray. So I came to understand Jamaica as a God-fearing country, as a country that adores God, a country backed by the power of God, as I'm going to narrate later. And therefore, we came to understand Jamaicans, they are not just Rastafarians, they are a great people that actually practice religion and they really adore God and reference God. That was actually a misconception about Jamaica before I came to understand the people of Jamaica. Then Dimwango started visiting the different places in Jamaica. And we really, let me talk about I fell in love with the cities of Jamaica, Trench Town, and the beauty of the people around the streets, the dancing, the happy vibes, all positive vibes of the people of Jamaica as Dimwango was moving from one place to the other. The other thing that was very, very clear was the support of the people of Jamaica to Dimwango. We also saw the same thing. So first of all, maybe we can show a video of the first time, the first videos of Dimwango and Kino and the places they used to visit and the beauty of Jamaica. So have a look at it and then I'll come back.
My friend from Africa. See? Where in Africa you're from?
Kenya.
Kenya?
Yes.
Wow.
Big up.
We are brothers and sisters, you know that?
Yes, I know that for sure. So what is this? What did you just call them?
Coconut drops.
Oh, coconut drops.
The coconut, we cut it up fine, sugar, and bake it.
Why do you have to add sugar on it?
Yeah, without sugar it can't come together.
Oh,
Sugar
okay.
have to combine it together. Right.
All right.
So you're around for a long time. How long you be here?
I'm here to stay. Big up.
Big up.
Nice to meet you. Yeah. All right, guys. So we just want to have a walk. Want to check out how Mandeville looks like. Let me know what you love more about this city. Not a city, but a town in the comment section down below.
Android tablets, laptops, computers, and much more.
Thank you. Hi. Where are you guys? You guys do everywhere. I'm already getting the warm welcome to Mandeville.
Hey, I tell you, she make me feel like an ant. And I'm so tall, but she's a baby giant. I'm not even laughing.
You guys are the best. Thank you so much. So far, I found 2 people already.
Two?
Yeah.
You find one.
No.
2, 1. So she's only leading by 1. So let's see. Walking for the day.
All right, guys. Welcome to Mandeville. All right, the cleanest town in the entire Jamaica. So I want to cross the road and keep checking it out. Yeah.
She a woman still, so she has to say that.
Yeah.
Electronics, DVD player, TVs, stereos, washing machines, computers, cell phones, gift items, and much more. Mandeville quick sale furniture
In the
and
fridge.
appliances.
You know, she's out the frying pan now. She's
In the fridge.
Prices on TVs, mixers, pressure cookers, blenders, iron.
description.
Come and get low prices. Watches, small and large furniture, electronics.
Hey, this part of Jamaica is extremely different. We cross.
We show you a good side of Jamaica. Show you good.
All right, guys. I met a friend here in Mandeville, and introduce yourself.
Yes, this is Ross Index, and you can subscribe to my channel on YouTube, and I've done all these things too. Coconut earrings and all of that, you know. You see that?
Yes.
Yeah.
That is it
done
in
art and
Mandeville.
craft, yeah.
Manchester.
Yes.
All right, guys. I'll leave the link in the description so that you also subscribe to this channel. All right. Nice to meet you, Rice.
One Africa, you know.
Yes.
One family.
Yes. Haile Selassie. Big up. Greetings, one love. You sell the fruits?
Yeah, man.
Wow. So Mandeville is this blessed with a lot of fruits. Wow. So green and fresh and nice. Yo. There we go. Fruits for life.
What type of world are we living in? Envious people with them beginning. I know them never nice from the beginning. I know them never nice, I know them never nice. What type of world are we living in? Envious people with them beginning. I know them never nice from the beginning. I know them never nice, I know them never nice. The pocket a bring up, ice chain a bling up, that nice string up, get the dance, yo, cut.
Big up, big tune, big tune. Wow. All right, guys, we're just checking out Mandeville. This is how it looks. I'm so much impressed with how clean.
Apart from Dimwango, there are other YouTubers that really contributed to me knowing Jamaica in a very, very great way. There is Tayo from Nigeria. I think I mentioned him in my video yesterday. There was Old Maya. Old Maya made us to understand Jamaica because the first time Old Maya entered Jamaica, we found him at a bus terminal. And we could really see him hitting the vehicle, encouraging the passengers to enter the vehicle. And therefore we came to understand Jamaica as a country that actually sort of do the same things as we do here in Africa. And actually we understood from that video, I understood that Jamaicans are actually part of the people that came from West Africa. And that made me eager to understand more the history of the people of Jamaica. And before I go to what I learned in the history of the people of Jamaica, let us have a look at Old Maya after arriving in Jamaica for the first time.
Your life, go learn something new and explore. Upon arrival to Jamaica, the entire atmosphere was filled with super friendly people from the immigration to the streets of downtown Kingston.
Come here. I'll follow you. I know.
You follow me? Jeez, man.
I see you.
You see?
Yeah, I follow you.
You follow me?
I follow you on Facebook.
Wow. Jeez, man.
And I've been to Suriname. And when we leave Suriname, and then you go to Suriname.
Hey, now again.
Yeah.
No, but finally I'm here now.
Yeah. And I hear that I follow you and I hear that you're crying. I want to go to Jamaica. I want to go visit Jamaica. So yeah, I finally see you.
Yeah?
One more. Look.
That's so cool, man.
Yeah.
Wow, nice to see you.
Yeah, man. Welcome to Jamaica.
So guys, you can see the warm welcome of the people of Jamaica. Anybody could learn a lot from all these videos. We could learn the positive nature of the people of Jamaica, the love the people of Jamaica show people, and we could also learn that there is a lot of similarity between Africa and Jamaica. And through that, I came to understand the history of Jamaica through research. So I did a lot of research on where the Jamaican people came from. And that is how I came to learn about the Taino people. I came to learn about the Akan people from Ghana. I came to learn about the Yoruba people from Nigeria and how they migrated from West Africa to Jamaica through slave trade. And I saw the resilient, what can I call it? The perseverance of the Jamaicans as they were moving from West Africa to Jamaica. There is a lot that we learn about the character of the people of Jamaica through that journey from West Africa to Jamaica. We also come to get to know the courage and the hard work of the people of Jamaica. If, for example, you went through the history of Jamaica, you're going to find that the people that were captured from West Africa were very, very hardworking people. They could actually grow their own food, and they also did, what is it called? Looking for animals, for meat. And apart from that, they hated injustice. Because we see from the history of Jamaica, Nani, the Maroon, and very many fighters of justice, Marcus Garvey, Paul Bogra, and so many people I read about. And therefore I came to understand the history of the people of Jamaica and how they hate injustice. And this made me to completely fall in love with the people of Jamaica, that they can go to any length to fight for justice of other people. This made me to understand that this is a special people, a peculiar people, a chosen nation, a nation that can stand with other people irrespective of what they are gaining from that people. I came to understand the Jamaicans' fight for freedom from apartheid of South Africa. I came to understand Jamaicans' role, the role they played in the independence of some of the African countries like Zimbabwe, Namibia, Kenya, and so many places where we have seen Jamaicans fighting for justice. So I came to understand Jamaica are a very, very loving people and a very, very keen people to fight for equality. I have recently come to understand Jamaicans and even embrace them and even love them more when I read that they arrived in UK, United Kingdom, as the first people, and they fought against oppression, against unequalness, and they paved the way for other people that later came to the United Kingdom. And I found that this could be a small island, but they have a people that are actually great in the heart, great in the fight, great in the courage, great in whatever they do. I have also come to understand Jamaicans as very, very creative people. The people of Jamaica have done a lot of innovations, like I have mentioned them in my video. I'm not going to repeat. And therefore I came to embrace these people as a hard-working people, as a people who love creating, as a people who love innovation, as a people who love peace, as a people who love justice, and I completely fell in love with the people of Jamaica. Then these people went showing us the different parishes of Jamaica. And here we add other YouTubers like Kino, like Cora Smith. I started now following even Jamaican YouTubers. And through them, Irina, and there is this YouTuber from Cuba. Is it Cuba? Yeah. So I came to understand the beauty of Jamaica through all these YouTubers. We could go to the beaches, we could go to the beaches together with these people in their camera. We could go to the waterfalls together with these people in their camera. We could go to the caves. I remember there is this video that Dimwango took us to some caves where there was underground water. And before she arrived in that cave, she showed us where Bob Marley used to keep the guitar that he was playing. So we have learned a lot about Jamaica through YouTubers, through research, through a lot of you people that watch our channel and explain to us a lot of things about your country. And I cannot actually be able to repay you. I owe you big for a lot of things that I have learned about Jamaica. There is this guy who took the bother to send me a whole book about Jamaica and told me to read it. And I really appreciate what you people do to make me know and understand Jamaica from a very, very low knowledge about Jamaica to what I know today. I came also to research on what is going on in Jamaica in terms of economy, what is happening, the minerals, the prime minister in power, the government, the schools, the systems. I have learned a lot about this land that we all love. Do not forget about the lagoons, the magics, the medicinal water, the Blue Mountains and its beauty, the crocodiles in the Black River. Oh my God, I have fallen in love with this country. Guys, if I start saying one by one, you're going to understand how much I love Jamaica. Shonarwa also took us to Danlifa and we enjoyed the sight of the Dan Falls. Epic sight to behold. I also watched some of the massages that are done in some places in Jamaica, and I cannot even explain how wonderful the people of Jamaica are and how talented they are. I have also moved on the streets of Jamaica and learned a lot about the people of Jamaica. They are very, very positive people, very happy people. Everywhere you go, they are full of smiles. And I understand something else. Jamaicans cannot tolerate anybody who brings them down. Anybody who comes to actually do what? Downtrod them. That is another characteristic I've loved about Jamaican people. They are not going to let you downtrod them and keep quiet. They shall fight for their rights. They shall stand by what they believe. They shall stand by their culture. They shall stand by their traditions. And this is not very, very common to many people. Fighting for what you believe is true. That is another thing that made me to fall in love with the people of Jamaica. The people of Jamaica are also people that love their country a lot. They can stand with their country from moon and back. They can defend their country from moon and back. They do not like anybody who talks negative about their country. And those are the reasons I have learned a lot. That you must defend your country. You must stand by your country. You must love the people of your country. You must support them. They have taught me great lessons in life. And they have also taught me, even when I go to a place, I cannot just keep silent when I am being oppressed, when things that are being done are oppressing. They have also taught us the art of good work, the art of excellent work, the art of hard work. Jamaicans, we owe you big. All this I am saying, I really appreciate those that watch me, those that follow me, and even the whole fraternity of Jamaican community. We have understood also the partying, the love to enjoy, the love to have fun, the love of a community, the love of togetherness, which cannot be exchanged with anything. The characteristic of the people of Jamaica makes one to fall in love with them day by day. And that is why the last few videos I've shot, there are people who desire to be Jamaicans. There are people who long to be Jamaicans just to feel that they belong to this community, that love each other, that embrace each other, that cheer each other without jealousy. I really admire you people. And today it was about my story on Jamaica and how I fell in love with Jamaica. Do not forget the artwork. Jamaicans have great artwork that I really love. From Coronation Market to the, is it called the dark market? This market that is done at night. A very great market in Jamaica. I have seen a lot of artwork in Jamaica. I have seen a lot of creativity in Jamaica. I have seen a lot of talent in Jamaica. I cannot exhaust the goodness of this land. Guys, let me stop there. See you during the next video. Bye bye and God bless.